A day before Uber's initial public offering, drivers for Uber and competitors went on strike in major cities around the world, including New York. They were protesting what they say is low pay and poor working conditions. The protests highlighted just a few of the numerous complaints leveled at the company since it was founded 10 years ago by Travis Kalanick in San Francisco. He stepped down as CEO in 2017 after being accused of fostering a toxic work culture where sexual harassment and discrimination occurred.
The class of people who are about to receive the largest wealth transfer in American history, this millennial generation, has displayed a consistently much higher interest in corporate culture and social impact than their predecessor generations.
Uber has to, I think, treat these issues very carefully. Their brand in North America, at least, is still somewhat impaired.
White, who has a neutral rating on Uber, says repairing that image is just one of the many challenges the company faces as it prepares to go public in a listing that could raise $9 billion.
Long term, we think their scale could translate into a better margin profile relative to its peers, but the near-term trends in the business, both slowing growth and profitability, are what keep us on the sidelines there.
Uber is facing stiff competition in its core ride-sharing business in the U.S. and abroad. Uber Eats, its food delivery service, is also under pressure from rivals. Since its inception 10 years ago, the company hasn't turned a profit, losing at least $1 billion in the first 3 months of 2019. Executives say investors have to take the long view. Comparing themselves to Amazon, they said Uber plans on becoming a one-stop shop for all things transportation. Wolf is skeptical, pointing out that Amazon was profitable 10 years in.
It's great to have vision, but when we get a heavy dose of vision around a big earnings or IPO story from a tech company, it's usually a good time to be cautionary.
We'll find out very soon whether investors are willing to overlook some of Uber's many challenges. Shares begin trading here at the New York Stock Exchange this Friday. Karina, CGTN, New York.